Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, privyet. Christmas is almost here, and what's better than a handmade cards? Today I am going to make this cute little Christmas tree card for this Christmas season. So let's start. To paint the Christmas tree, I am using Fevicryl acrylic paint, from which I used sap green. Sketch a center line of the trunk and start drawing lines for the branches at different levels from above. Then begin by drawing the basic shape of a fig tree. The labels are closer together at the top and further apart towards the bottom, where the branches are larger. Then start adding leaves on each branch. Mix deep green with sap green and then add a little black color. Use this paint on shadow areas for a detailed tree. Let the paint dry thoroughly. After that, use white color for this snow. For decoration, add a Christmas bauble using red paint. Now write Merry Christmas using any pen or micron pen. Can you see this glittery effect? I have used this glitter for this look. I hope you liked today's video. So take care of yourself in winter season and have a nice day.